Hello, how is everybody today? I just got my helmet wired up. I'm trying to see whether you can whether you can hear the voice or not. Excuse me just a second. I got to walk past the air conditioning on the house, and I'm gonna get on the four-wheeler and go drive it around and see if the audio works on this thing. As y'all can see, Miss Alice, she expects to go riding anywhere we go, so she's wanting to ride, but now I can't test out the volume on it, so maybe I can figure this thing out. But oh well, let's go for a ride and see what we can come up with. Get this phone out of my way. Now we'll go riding around and see what's going on around here, and test out see if my helmet setup is working or not, whether y'all can hear what I'm saying, and that way I can see what kind of adjustments I need to make, since this is the first time I've ever rode with a GoPro on my helmet. And so I know most of you have already seen this area, but right now I don't feel like loading it up to go take it to a different area to ride around. But right now, I'd like to see how this thing is going, how this video is going to react, and whether y'all can hear me or not. I can get it wide open throttle and stuff. So right around here in the yard. So I'd like to see whether y'all can hear, whether the test footage is going to be good enough or not. As I'm riding around whether the wind noise or the motor or the ATV noise is going to be too much. But I mean, see if we can see what kind of audio and I can get out of this thing, and I may have to move the mic around, so y'all just be patient with me. Go again. to get up. It does pretty good for speed wise. I mean, I'm not into it for speeding and showing off or anything. So I mean, I can run, it'll run fast enough that I can get I mean, it'll do 50 miles an hour from the end of the road up there back to the Southern Palace here, but I mean, I have had it that wide open down through there, but I'm about 40 is about as safe as I think it needs to go today. So I'm just gonna ride around and see what else what other stuff we can do to get in trouble. But I mean, here comes Miss Lisa. She's getting on hers, and I reckon I'm gonna have to end up outrunning her before the day's over with, just to show her I can do it. But who knows? I hate to embarrass that little Honda, but she asks for it every now and then, so might as well try it out. See what she's gonna do here. Well, let's see what dummies they're gonna do today. So see how much faster I can gain on her. She don't understand how she picks on me about using the brakes, but when I want to, I can catch her. I can do what I need to do. She's trying to dust me out right now, but oh well, that's life. Life on a dirt road. Let's see what she's gonna say.
Where's the other GoPro?
It's in the house.
Where?
Whatever you do with it. It must be in the bedroom.
Huh?
It must be in the bedroom.
What in there?
I don't know.